Hi guys, we're going to jump in and pick up where we left off. Some of you have created posts and some of you are still kind of working on it. So we're gonna kind of start from the beginning. If you go ahead and log on to blogger.com, okay, you shouldn't have to worry about a login. It should already be logged on if you're on the Chromebooks. And it's going to come up with your Blogger dashboard. That means it's going to host, this is where all of your blogs are hosted. If you have more than one, some of you have an art or a photography blog. You all have a Think Like a Scientist blog, so you're going to go ahead and click on that. When you hover over it, it turns orange and you'll click on it. And up should pull your overview here. Yesterday we kind of explored template and layout. We got that kind of hammered out and made sure that it was personalized to you. If you need to change something, you can click on settings. If maybe you forgot to capitalize your last name, or maybe you didn't spell something correctly like scientist, you can fix that here with the edit button, and you can also edit your actual blog address. So if you forgot the TLAS, or you again misspelled something or did something wrong, you can edit that all in the basic settings. We're going to be dealing today with this post button. If you click on the big orange button that says new post right here, and then click on that. When that pops up, this is your view. You have your basic editing tools, font, size, formatting. You can insert an image or a video. Those are all really easy to drag and drop, just like in Google Drive. And I wanted to make sure that every one of your posts looks like this. So go ahead and type this in with me if you haven't already. I found in citations. Okay, you may have more than one citation, and that's absolutely okay. Your I wonder should include things that you're curious about. So when I did another one of my drafts, it looked something like this. And of course you also have my example blog that's posted on my website. I said I want to know if cheetahs would run faster if they were fed more meat. They're really interesting to me because I watched a video one time on PBS that showed that they're the fastest land animal. I've also seen them in a zoo and they looked really elegant. I wonder how many cheetahs are left in the wild, if any have been poached. And I think that's really terrible that if they have to hunt wild cheetahs, because I bet there are just a few of them left. I'm going to add that. That don't live in captivity. Okay. Then, this is something that a lot of you worked on yesterday, so you're going to be looking at the I found. If you want to start with your Q focus question or whatever, answer any question in here. So maybe I want to know how many cheetahs are left that don't live in captivity. So I'm going to search how many wild cheetahs are left. Let's see what it pulls up. Cheetah outreach from South Africa. We have curiosity.discovery, National Geographic, bigcats.com, the endangered cheetah from How Stuff Works. That sounds like it might be a good website. I think this one might also be good. Talks about biodiversity and evolution, both biological concepts. So it sounds more official. Let's check it out and see what we have. Waiting. Alright, so it's from Discovery. I know that Discovery is a valid source, so this seems like it would probably be a good website for me to get information from. It says, how many cheetahs still exist in the wild, answered by Animal Planet. And it gives me some information here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read through. Hundreds of thousands of cheetahs were believed to have inhabited Africa, India, and Western Asia in the year 1900. Let's see, does it tell me right off the bat how many exist? Let's see, read through. It is endangered. I wonder what it means to be endangered. I wonder what the qualifications are to be endangered. So then I'm going to go back to my blog. And I'm going to, oops, looks like there's a video with it. There it is. We're going to pause that. There's a cheetah lady, apparently. So we're going to go back to our I found. I'm going to highlight I found a link. I'm going to steal the link from up here, so that I'm going to do Control C for control copy. Go back to my blog. I've highlighted that section. I'm going to hit the hyperlink and Control V or paste and hit OK. Alright, now whenever I post this, if I ever need to go back to the website, it's linked right there. So I'm going to talk about what was on that link. I said that talked about how cheetahs were endangered. I wonder what the qualifications are for being endangered. It also talked about, so you can talk about what was on the website, what you feel about what was on the website, what you thought about what was on the website. What I do not want you to do is copy and paste. It's called plagiarism. It's very easy for me to find out if you have plagiarized. I know what your writing looks like. I know what writing looks like online. Do not do it. It's not worth the risk. For example, this person right here, they copy pasted this directly from the website. I know that that's copy and pasted, and it's not their own work. I want to know what you found and what you thought about it and how you felt about it, what it looked like, how it tied into your questions, and maybe what new questions you have. So now I'm curious about endangered animals and what qualifications it takes to become on the endangered list. Maybe it brings you to another question, and that's something you can explore in a further post, but you won't know that until you blog about it, until you write about it and think about it, and that's what we're really getting at here. This is the process of science. This is what we do as scientists. We ask questions and we think and we research and we discover. And so I really want you to take this time today to think critically, to explore what you're interested in. Okay? So we're not going to be doing that. I'm going to go ahead and delete it just so that it doesn't end up on my blog. Another thing that you can do is take pictures from the website. I haven't tried to take a video yet with drag and drop. I don't know if it will work. Let's give it a try. Nope, not working. But I could probably go straight to the web, or straight to the video if it was a YouTube video. Or in this case, I might be able to find its URL and copy it and paste it into here, or insert my video here. Okay, so you can play with it. You guys can figure this out. It's not difficult technology. If you need help, ask a neighbor. If your neighbor can't help you, raise your hand. One of us can help you, and we would be more than happy to. So let's get to posting. One more thing before we let you work on your own. You're not publishing today. All you're going to do is save. So now that I've edited it a little bit, I'm going to hit the save button. I'm not going to hit the publish button. I want to see what you have. I want to be able to take a look at what all you all are posting and writing about before we publish to the web, because everybody is going to be able to see it. And we want to make sure that we're representing ourselves and our school and our community in a good way. Okay? So, I wonder, I found. That's your job. Have a good day.